You spend more time writing emails in English than almost anything else at work. But here's the thing. Most non-native speakers are making the same 5 mistakes over and over again. And the worst part? They have no idea. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what those mistakes are, how to fix every single one of them, and give you a complete framework you can use to write any professional email in English. Starting today. Welcome to the Workplace English Academy, the channel where non-native professionals learn the real English their colleagues use every single day. I'm glad you're here. Let's get into it. Let me show you an email that I see all the time from non-native speakers. It's not wrong exactly, but something about it feels off. Here's the email. Dear Mr. Johnson, I am writing to you because I want to know about the project status. Please, can you tell me when it will be finished? I am waiting for your response. Regards. Now, nothing in that email is grammatically wrong. But to a native speaker, it reads as cold, blunt, almost demanding. And that's a really common problem. The issue isn't grammar. The issue is tone. Professional English isn't just about being correct. It's about sounding warm, collaborative, and respectful. And once you understand that, writing emails becomes a lot easier. Before we look at the 5 fixes, let me give you a simple framework that works for almost every professional email you'll ever write. Every good professional email has 4 parts. Part 1, a warm opening. Part 2, your reason for writing, 1 clear sentence. Part 3, your request or information, brief and specific. Part 4, a polite close. Every time. Keep this in your head, and email writing becomes almost automatic. Fix number 1, the subject line. This is the most ignored part of the email and honestly, the most important. A bad subject line means your email might not even get opened. Here's what most non-native speakers write. Question, or meeting, or even worse, they leave it blank. Here's the rule. Your subject line should tell the reader exactly what the email is about and what you need from them, in 10 words or less. Compare these two. Bad. Question about the project. Good. Update needed. Project timeline for Thursday's client call. See the difference? The second one is specific, urgent, and professional. The reader knows exactly what it's about before they open it. Fix number 2, your opening line. Many non-native speakers open emails with, I am writing to you because it's technically correct, but it's stiff. It sounds like a formal letter from 1985. Native speakers almost never start emails this way. Instead, they use one of 3 natural openers depending on the situation. Opener 1, for a first email to someone new. Hope you're having a good week. I wanted to reach out about. Opener 2, for a follow-up or reply. Thanks so much for getting back to me. Just to follow up on. Opener 3, for an internal colleague. Quick one. Are you free to chat about the Henderson proposal this week? Notice what all 3 have in common. They're warm, they're brief, and they don't waste the reader's time with a slow build-up. 1 sentence, then straight to the point. Fix number 3, the body of the email. This is where most people write too much. The rule in professional English email is this: 1 email, 1 point. You have 3 things to discuss. Write 3 short emails, or use a numbered list like this. Just a few things from today's meeting. 1, I'll send the revised proposal by Thursday. 2, can you confirm the budget sign-off date? 3, let's aim to reconnect next Monday. Clean, easy to read, easy to respond to. Compare that to a dense paragraph of text where the reader has to search for the questions buried inside. Nobody has time for that, especially in a second language. Keep your body text to 3 to 5 sentences maximum. If it's getting longer, cut it. Compare that to a dense paragraph of text where the reader has to search for the questions buried inside. Nobody has time for that, especially in a second language. Keep your body text to 3 to 5 sentences maximum. If it's getting longer, cut it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, and share. Fix number 4. And this one is huge, softening your requests. This is the single biggest difference between emails that sound demanding and emails that sound professional. In many languages, being direct is polite. In English, especially British, Canadian, American English, being too direct can accidentally sound rude or aggressive. So native speakers soften their requests using specific phrases. Instead of, "Send me the report," say, "Would it be possible to send me the report when you get a chance?" Instead of, "I need this by Friday." Say, "Could you let me know if Friday works for the deadline?" Instead of, "Why hasn't this been done?" Say, "Just checking in. Do you have an update on this one?" These phrases don't make you sound weak. They make you sound emotionally intelligent, which is exactly how senior professionals communicate in writing. Fix number 5, your closing line and sign off. 2 common mistakes here. Mistake 1, ending abruptly with just regards and your name. Mistake 2, waiting for your response, which sounds impatient. Here's what to do instead. End with one warm, forward-looking sentence before your sign-off. For example, "Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a great rest of your week." Or, "Happy to jump on a quick call if it's easier. Just let me know." Or, "Thanks again for your help on this. Really appreciate it." Then your sign-off. For professional emails, use "Best regards," formal and universally safe, "Many thanks," warm and very common in British English. Speak soon, for colleagues you know well. Avoid yours sincerely unless it's a formal letter, and never, ever use yours truly in a work email. It's outdated. All right, now let's put it all together. Here's that bad email from the beginning, and here's the same email rewritten using everything we've just covered. The bad version: "Dear Mr. Johnson, I am writing to you because I want to know about the project status. Please, can you tell me when it will be finished? I am waiting for your response. Regards." Now here's the professional version. Subject: project status update. Timeline check for Thursday. "Hi David, hope you're having a good week. I wanted to check in on the project timeline. We have a client call on Thursday and it would be great to have an update to share. Would you be able to send a quick status summary by Wednesday if possible? Really appreciate your help on this. Best regards." Same message, completely different impression. One sounds demanding, one sounds like a polished professional, and the only difference is knowing which phrases to use. Let's do a quick recap of the 5 fixes. Fix 1, write a specific subject line, 10 words or less. Tell them what you need. Fix 2, use a warm, natural opening, not "I am writing to you because." Fix 3, keep the body short. 1 point per email. Use numbered lists. Fix 4, soften your requests. "Would it be possible?" beats "Send me." Fix 5, end warmly. 1 forward-looking line before your sign-off. That's your complete professional email framework. You don't have to be a perfect English speaker to write great emails. You just have to know the right phrases. And now you do. If you found this useful, hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss our next video on Wednesday. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with 1 email phrase you're going to use this week. I read every single one. Next up, we're covering small talk at work, because what you say at the coffee machine matters just as much as what you write in your emails. I'll see you there.